identity protections while using internet. Data breaches are happening on an almost daily basis, and it has never been more important to protect your online identity. So always use strong password. Check social media privacy setting always. This is the identity protections while using internet. This is the privacy setting we can do through the browsers, whether you are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn. Check the site's privacy policy and use security and privacy settings to control who is able to see your personal information. Avoid public Wi-Fi. There is no doubt that using public Wi-Fi is a quick, convenient and a free way to go online. However, it opens us up to a range of security risks that can threaten our online identity. So, public Wi-Fi requires no authentication to establish a network connection, allowing criminals direct access to any unsecure devices on the same open network. So this enable hackers to steal valuable informations such as login, password, credit information and other personal and financial details. So avoid phishing emails. What is this? Avoid phishing email. Phishing email, this is type of email. You can see that phishings continue to be one of the most popular way for criminals to steal personal information and commit identity fraud. The speed, convenience and high return on investments makes it one of the easiest way for a criminal to steal your personal data without you even thinking, without you even knowing. Always use secure websites. The easiest way to check if the sites you are on insecure is to check the URL. At the start of all web address, you will see either a HTTP or HTTPS. If the site's URL start with the HTTP, it means the site is not secure, and any information you share on this site could be intercepted. So point number 6, fifth, I just highlight you कि when you see the highlighters, अगर HTTPS वहाँ पर अवेलेबल हो तो ही हम इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योर करें, शेयर करें, बिकॉज इट इज अ शेयर नेट. हाइपर टेक्स्ट पर ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, इट इज नॉट सिक्योर, बट हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल एस सिक्योर. So check bank statement regularly. It is always worth keeping a close eye on a bank statement to make sure there are no unusual transaction on your account. Criminals will often make a few initial debits for smaller amounts, which tends to go unnoticed. When going for the kill and make a larger payment which could clean out your bank account and leave you in the red. It is always worth keeping a close eye on a bank statement to make sure there are no unusual transactions on your accounts. Criminal will often make a few initial debits for smaller amounts, which tends to go unnoticed, then go in for the kill and make a larger payment which could clean out your bank account and leave you in the red zone. So update your security software. The installation of antivirus software will help detect threat on your computers and block unauthorized access users for gaining access. It's also important to ensure that your software is regularly updated to prevent cyber criminals for gaining access to your computer through vulnerabilities in older and outdated system. 8. System share sensitive documents. Your personal information is what identity thieves are after, and gaining access to the papers, copies of your bank statement, pay slips, or any other mail that may contain personal identifiable information is one of the easiest way for them to steal this data. Always share and properly dispose of any sensitive information to ensure it can't be used to identify you and committed fraud. IP address. The most basic way of identifying you is by your IP address. Your IP address identifies you on the internet. These days, it's likely that your computer shares an IP address with the other network devices in your house or coffee office. From your IP address, a website can determine your geography location, not down to state level, but generally your city or area. If you have ever seen a spam my ad that try to look legitimate by mentioning your locations, this is how the ads does it. This type of just like ad YouTube winner, you just when you click the things spam mailbox and some maybe trouble to you. IP address can change and are often used by multiple users, so that are not a good way of tracking a single user our time. Still, an IP address can be combined with other techniques here to track your geographical location. HTTP referer. When you click a link, your browser loads the web page. You click and tell the websites where you came from. For example, if you clicked a link to an outside or website on How to Geek, the outside website would see the address of the How to Geek article you came from. This information is contained in the HTTP referer headers. The HTTP referer is also sent when a loading content on a web page. For example, if a web page includes an ad or tracking script, your browser tell the advertiser or tracking network what page you are viewing. Web bugs, which are tiny 1 by 1 pixel invisible images, take advantages of HTTP referer to track you without appearing on a web page. They are also used to track emails you open, assuming your email clients load images. Cookies and tracking script. Cookies are small pieces of information websites can store in your browser. They have plenty of legitimate uses. For example, when you sign into your online banking websites, cookie remember your login information. When you change a setting on a website, a cookie store that setting it so it can be persisted across pages, loads and sessions. So you can see that, guys, this type of cookies, a block is here, and we can change the settings of our remove cookies and remove all cookies. This type of box we can set the cookies. Okay, cookies can also identify you and track your browsing activity across a website. This isn't necessarily a big problem. A website might want to know that what web pages users visit, so it can tweak the user experience. What's really pernicious or malicious and are third-party cookies. So you can just go to the option table, and this is the privacy setting table, and you can set your privacy. While third-party cookies also have the legitimate uses, they are often used by advertising networks to track you across multiple websites. Many websites, if not most websites, include third-party advertising or tracking script, where if two different websites use the same advertising or tracking networks, your browsing history across both sites could be tracked and linked. Script from social networks can also function as a tracking script. For example, if you are signed into the Facebook and you visit a website that contains a Facebook like button, Facebook knows you visited that website. So Facebook store a cookies to save your login state, so the like button, which is actually part of the script, know you who you are. Super cookies. Another topic is super cookies. You can clear your browser cookies. In fact, we got a guide to clearing your browser cookies. However, clearing your cookies isn't necessarily a solution. Super cookies are increasingly common. One such super cookies is AverCookie. Super cookie solution like AverCookie store cookie data in multiple places. For example, in Flash cookies, Silverlight storage your browsing history and HTML5 local storage. One particularly clever tracking method is assigning a unique color value to a few pixels. So every time a new user visits a website, so clearing your cookies isn't necessarily a solution. The super cookies are increasingly common. One such super cookie is EverCookie. Okay, so super cookie solution like our EverCookie store cookie data in multiple places. For example, in Flash cookie, Silverlight storage, your browsing history, and HTML5 local storage. The one particularly clever tracking method is assigning a unique color value to a few pixels every time a new user visits a website. The different colors are stored in each user browser cache and can be loaded back. The color value of the pixels is a unique identifier that identifies the users. When a website notices that you have deleted part of the super cookie, the information is repopulated from the other's location. For example, you might clear your browser cookies and not your Flash cookies, so the website will copy the value of Flash cookies to your browser cookies. Super cookies are very resilient. So this type of EverCookie is a JavaScript API available that produce this is the description of super cookies. So EverCookies and super cookies, you can see that how can we generalize the form of these cookies. Now user agent is another point. User agent, your browser is also send a user agent, and every time you connect to a website, this tells website your browser and operating system, providing another piece of data that can be stored and used to target ads. For more information about user agent, check out our explanation of what a browser user agent is. So you can see that this is it's my user agent by my Google my IP. So your agent is Mozilla Firefox. तो जैसे ही हम लिखेंगे व्हाट इज द माई यूजर एजेंट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो दिखा देगा कि हु इज योर एजेंट. तो योर एजेंट इज मोजिला फायरफॉक्स कंप्लीट, तो आपको बता देगा कि आपका एजेंट कौन सा ब्राउजर है या क्या है. नाउ ब्राउजिंग फिंगरप्रिंटिंग. Browsers are actually pretty unique. Website can determine your operating system, browser version, install plugins and their versions, your operating system screens resolutions, your install fonts, your time zone and other information. If you have disabled cookies entirely, that's another piece of data that makes your browser unique. The Electronic Frontier Foundation Panoptic Lake website is an example of how the information can be used. Only in 1.1 million people have the same browser configuration I do. This is Panoptic Lake website symbol front of you. You can see that these are surely other ways that the website can track you. There is big money in it, and people are brainstorming new way to track every day. Just see EverCookie about for evidence of that. So now our next topic is confidential. So we'll study maybe next topic will start next class. So till now, please watch, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.